Welcome to our latest video. Today we are talking about the top 5 best Amazon dash camera under $100. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the dash camera are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the REDTIGER F4, your ultimate driving companion. Capture every moment on the road with stunning clarity. Experience the power of 4K Ultra HD recording. With 2160p resolution, every detail is crystal clear, ensuring you'll never miss a thing. Rain or shine, day or night, the REDTIGER F4 has got you covered. Its exceptional night vision allows for sharp recordings even in low light conditions. Need to capture a memorable moment? Just say the word. With voice control, you can easily operate your dash cam without taking your hands off the wheel. Built-in GPS helps track your route and speed, while the Wi-Fi app control lets you access your recordings on the go. Stay connected with ease. This dashcam has 4.2 rating and 12,000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this dashcam to you. Never worry about running out of storage. Our loop recording feature ensures continuous recording. Plus, with 24-hour parking monitor, your vehicle is safe even when you're away. The REDTIGER F4 comes with a 32GB card included, so you're ready to start your journey right out of the box. Introducing the Vantrue E1 Lite, the ultimate dashcam that's here to keep you safe on the road. With stunning 1080p video quality, you'll capture every detail of your journey. This mini dashcam boasts rich colors and clear resolution, ensuring your adventures are always recorded in high definition. Equipped with Wi-Fi, the Vantrue E1 Lite allows you to easily access and share your recordings through a free app. Simply connect to your smartphone and you're ready to go. Keep track of your speed and location with the built-in GPS. Whether you're commuting or on a road trip, you'll have accurate data at your fingertips. Hands full? No problem. With voice control, you can start and stop recordings without lifting a finger. Just say the word. Driving at night? The Vantrue E1 Lite's advanced night vision ensures that your footage remains clear and visible, even in low light conditions. Stay alert with smart motion detection. Your dashcam will automatically record when it senses movement, providing an added layer of security even when you're parked. Never worry about running out of storage. With loop recording, the Vantrue E1 Lite overwrites old footage so you can focus on the road ahead. Plus, it supports up to a massive 512GB, that's tons of recording time. This dashcam has 4.3 rating on Amazon, so that we recommend this dashcam to you. And when you need it off the road, the detachable design makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. Drive confidently knowing the Vantrue E1 Lite is your trusty co-pilot. Ready to elevate your driving experience? Get your Vantrue E1 Lite today. Introducing the Pelsee P1 DUO, your ultimate driving companion. Capture every detail with stunning 4K quality in the front and crystal clear 1080p in the rear. Your drives will never be the same. Equipped with a 64GB South Dakota card, the Pelsee P1 DUO ensures you have ample storage for all your journeys. Store memories, evidence, and everything in between. With built-in Wi-Fi and app control, managing your footage is easier than ever. Connect, review, and download straight to your phone. The 1.5-inch IPS display gives you a clear view of what's happening on the road day or night. Hands full? No problem. Use voice control to seamlessly capture important moments on the road. Just say the word. Drive with confidence even in low light. The advanced night vision feature ensures you're always protected. Worried about your car when you're away? The 24-hour parking mode keeps your vehicle secure, recording any suspicious activity while you're gone. This dashcam has 4.7 rating and 1000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this dashcam to you. And with the built-in G sensor, the camera automatically saves crucial footage in the case of an accident. Your security is our priority. Upgrade your driving experience with the Pelsee P1 DUO. Safety, convenience, and clarity. Introducing the E-YEEGER dashcam, the ultimate guardian for your journeys. Capture every detail with stunning 2.5K 1440p resolution. Whether it's a breathtaking landscape or crucial accident details, this ensures nothing gets missed. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi and our user-friendly app. Easily download, view, and share your footage right from your phone. Drive worry-free day or night. Its advanced night vision technology provides clear, sharp images even in low light conditions. Protect your vehicle around the clock with 24-hour parking mode. This will automatically start recording if it detects motion, ensuring your car stays secure even when you're away. This dashcam has 4.5 rating on Amazon, so that we recommend this dashcam to you. With its built-in G sensor, the E-YEEGER detects sudden movements and locks important footage for future reference. Plus, loop recording means you never run out of storage. Record continuously without worry. Introducing the 70mm Dashcam M300. With stunning 1296p QHD resolution, every detail is captured with crystal clarity. Whether you're driving in bright daylight or at night, the M300's wide dynamic range and night vision features ensure you won't miss a thing. Capture more of your surroundings with a 140 degrees wide-angle field of view. Protect yourself from accidents, no matter where they're coming from. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily connect to the 70mm app on your iOS or Android device. Share, download, and manage your footage effortlessly. Control your dash cam at your fingertips. Adjust settings, view live footage, and download clips directly to your phone. It's that simple. This dashcam has 4 rating and 2000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this dashcam to you. Stay safe and secure on the road. The M300 has your back, ensuring you're protected and prepared for any situation. Elevate your driving experience with the 70mm Dashcam M300. Your road companion for safety and peace of mind.
Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.